No frogs here, said Top Dog. Top Dog and Mouse look in the pool. Look at the lizards, said Mouse. They are looking for food. There are no frogs here, said Top Dog.
What's to look for?
Stop, said Mouse. I can hear croaking.
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I said, yeah. Good job.
Yes, said Top Dog. The croaking is coming from over the there. Let's look in that there, said Mouse. Top Dog and Mouse look in the plant. Look at the crickets, said Mouse. They are eating. Where is the frog? Asked Top Dog. I can't see it. No. Top Dog and Mouse can see the frog now. There it is, shouted Mouse. The frog is hiding. Oh! On the plant. We found it, said Top Dog. The end.
Yay.
Good job. I don't read it. I can read this.
Yeah.
Top Dog and Mouse can hear a frog. Where is it hiding? And then I'll read this one.
Yep.
I wonder what that says.